Okay, ladies, summer is ending. Today's actually the official first day of school for my 3 kids. This is a very exciting time for me because this is the first time in history that all of my kids are in school during the day. So it's peaceful and quiet. So peaceful that I was supposed to film this video while they were at school, and I just enjoyed the peace and quiet of not having any kids in the house while they were at school so much that I just kind of just chilled and just scrolled social media. Nonetheless, it is evening. It's actually golden hour. I don't know if you guys can see the sun ever so slightly peeping through my window, but we're gonna go on a nice evening hot girl walk, me and my daughters. So I went ahead and did this really nice look. Now it is the start of Virgo season and I'm super excited about this look. She does come courtesy of Alipearl, and what makes this one so fly is that it already came pre-styled. Now it came with a nice amount of baby hair along the hairline. The hairline was also pre-plucked, the lace was pre-cut, and of course the knots are pre-bleached. And then the actual braids, you get 3 here, and then you get this nice beautiful like boho goddess braid situation that was already done for us. I had fun to play with the baby hair how I wanted to, but you can of course do no baby hair, or you can do it in a completely different style to your liking. And I think she came out absolutely flawless. So thanks to Alipearl, I'll be looking fly all Virgo season. But if you want to see how we got this look and got this one installed in less than 10 minutes, let's get started. Okay, ladies, jumping right into it. I discovered this new lip product on Amazon, or at least it's new to me. It's supposed to get rid of any suntans on your lips, so I'll keep you posted on that. Now let's get into the star of the show. So this one here comes courtesy of Alipearl, and this is their Halo Braid Glueless Deep Wave Wig. Mine is in the dimensions 13 by 6, and she is of course a pre-everything wig. Here I'm showing you guys the lace and all the details on the wig before we put her in. Look at how flawless that is, like literally straight out of the box. As I mentioned, this is a pre-everything wig, so you get pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and then pre-plucked hairline, and they even pre-styled the wig for us. They also included the adjustable removable elastic band. So let's get started. This is what she looks like on, and as you guys can see, all you gotta do is like glide her on and adjust her, and she's literally installed. This is a look at the texture of the hair from the back. Now this one is nice and full in density. I'm definitely proud. She comes in 180% density as well as a 250% density. Here I'm just cutting off any excess lace that overlaps my ears, and although this one is pre-styled, you are able to cut off the excess lace so that your wig fits flat and flush around your ears. I'm going to cut off any excess lace that's going to have me having to glue it down, because as you guys can see, it does overlap, but it's perfect because it makes it a one size fits all wig. Hence, if your head is bigger than mine, this one will still fit you perfect. Now let's go in and tint the lace. I have 3 options here. Majority of these are contour shades for me, so they will go in a little bit deeper, which translates onto the lace absolutely perfect. It's nice, it's warm, but not too red or too orange, and it goes in and makes the lace blend with my skin perfectly. I use those same products on the parting spaces. As you guys can see, they have 3 custom braids right there, and I wanted to make sure those blend as well. Now that we've treated the lace, let's go ahead and bond her down. I did an oldie but goodie style today where I applied a nice thick layer of this non-glue adhesive, blow dry until it's almost dry, and then I did a second coat on top, and then I blow dried until it was tacky, and then once I put the lace on top, it literally adhered like a dream. I love this. It mimics what you would do if you are bonding your wig down with a real glue, and I just love the way it came out. So definitely try out that method because 10 out of 10 I'd highly recommend. Now let's go ahead and play with the baby hair. As I mentioned, mine did come with pre-styled baby hair. Now you can cut these off or send them back into the wig effortlessly. For me, you guys know I love baby hair, so I'm gonna play with mine. I did use Shine and Jam, which I've learned is not the best when it comes to like ballet buns. it acts almost like a little bit oily in a way, but I just wanted to try it out with the lace and I absolutely loved it. I did a custom swoop situation on mine and this is the way it came out. And then I did apply the Alipearl melt belt on top so that everything can dry and set in place. While the hairline does its thing, let's go ahead and play with the ends. Now the texture of this one is deep wave and it is nice and full. So I did go in with that Got To Be Glue mousse that I just purchased from Target. Now this is only my second time using this product and I will say I like it much better the second time around. I did have to shake it up a lot in order for it to come out more foamy because the first time I used it, it did come out really runny and I was a little bit confused, but you just have to shake it up for it to activate. Now, as far as the product goes, I will say that I love the Lotta Body Mousse a lot more. Not only is it a lot more affordable, it does stretch and go a long way. The can is almost gone after only 2 uses. So that is definitely something to consider when purchasing this product. Now I'm going to go in with the unbrush and just detangle the hair. This is curly hair, so you will have to go in and just lock and clump your curls so that you don't have those simple straight out of the box curls. It'll look more like natural real hair curls. And then once I got it how I like it, I removed the melt belt and then we went in really quickly and just diffused. I didn't go all the way, but I love the way it came out. Baby, can you help me? Baby, can you help me? I'm watching my girl Big Platinum, not the little one. I just heard a big crash down there. There's no screaming or yelling, so I'm just gonna assume everybody's okay. Anyways, this one was a pleasure to work with. You guys can see how flawless the hairline is. It did come with a lot of baby hair up front and they are nice and long, and I like that because I like the fact that I was able to send some of the baby hair back into the actual wig or like the rest of the hair, and I really like the way that came out. But when it comes to like these braids and the detail like this, I just haven't, I'm not gonna say I can't do it, but I don't have the patience to. So I'm happy that there is a option to purchase a pre-made wig that already comes with a look like this, because this is perfect for photo shoots, weddings, events in general. Sometimes you kind of want to have a style to begin with when you get your wig installed, opposed to it just being plain bust down middle part with no pizzazz to it, if you will. So I love the fact that they gave us this option and I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. Now this one did come from Alipearl, as I did mention, and as you guys can see, as always, their packaging is so beautiful. I love like this brushed gold with that black logo detail, and then inside the package they definitely gave us some goodies. Inside we did get our dust bag, and it is that beautiful like regal nice like golden yellow color, of course with the nice black logo, which pairs very well with their packaging. You guys already seen I used the melt belt, which I have a ton of these, but lately I've been lazy because I have so many that like to go through my stash and find like the 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 that I already have. It's just easier to use a fresh one, but definitely love the fact that they gave us one of these. And then also in our package we got some more goodies, including the HD wig caps, and there is 2 in the pack if you didn't already know. And then you also got your baby hair brush, and this one is like a cobalt blue, I would say. And then we got a pair of mink lashes, really nice and natural. Then they also gave us this mirror, and it's like a double-sided mirror. On this side it says the Alipearl logo, and then it has a beautiful brown queen on this side, and then when you open up, of course, it's a really nice mirror. I actually am making bags for the girls because I'm going to teach them how to do their makeup for dance. Not that they'll get it now when they're 4 and 7, but so that they can, when they're backstage and I'm not present, like touch up their lipstick and stuff. Slowly but surely we're gonna learn because we are invested in this dance life. And then they also gave us this little Ziploc, and it's really nice because I don't know if you guys can see that, but they gave us tons and tons of that ear tape. Now this wig tape is really nice because you just apply it along like wherever you want along the hairline, and then it's like a little peel and stick double-sided situation where you put one side onto your skin, let the back off the opposite side, and you can press your wig into it and not have to use any glue or gel or spray or anything like that. Then they gave us some extra rubber bands, which these are colored, which is nice if you want to go ahead and like add some little rubber bands in there to make a different little style. And then this is the bag that the wig comes in, and I just like the fact that when you get your wig, you can kind of see the specs on your wig. So mine is 250% density. This is 26 inches in length, and that is pretty much it, love bugs. I would say this one's about 85 to 90% dry. It's more more so like slightly damp, like in the middle where you expect it to be. Nonetheless, she's absolutely gorgeous. Of course, I'll have a direct link down below, all of the details on my girl here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.